13 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, couple departures prior to you. You can start reducing the final approach speed, runway 31 left, clear to land.
31 left, clear to land, we're slowing, Connie 615.
Taxi 313 Heavy, contact near departure, good day.
Contact near departure, good day, with exit 313 Heavy.
Alaska 23, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, Alaska 23.
Endeavor 5436, left whiskey, taxi left Alpha, monitor ground point 9, traffic short final behind you.
Whiskey Alpha, ground point 9, Endeavor 5436. Kennedy Tower, Gerlings 402, LS 31 right.
Gerlings 402, Kennedy Tower, caution turbulence 7.5 miles until the heavy Boeing 747, wind 330 at 19 at runway 31 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 31 right, Gerlings 402.
Alaska 23, contact near departure, good day.
Departure, good day, Alaska 23.
Air France 004 Heavy, left whiskey, whiskey, taxi right Bravo, monitor ground point 9, good day.
That's whiskey, Bravo, and monitor ground 12 decimal minus, thank you.
Jetlings 402, it's been Cessna, will depart prior to your arrival.
402.
Delta 601, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait, traffic 5 out.
On up away 31 left, Delta 601.
Kennedy Tower, caution wait turbulence, runway 31 right at Echo, line up and wait, traffic 6 out.
31 right at Echo, line up and wait,
Square 4693, straight Alpha behind that tug, monitor ground, good day.
Alpha 100, monitor tower, big yard.
Delta 601, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, Delta 601. Afternoon, Kennedy Tower, big yard, 5867, Alice, 31 right.
Good, 5867, Kennedy Tower, number 2 for the right side, 31 right, clear to land.
31 right, clear to land, big yard, 5867.
Giant 8977 Heavy, where do you park today?
We're going to be building 263 off Charlie 6, requesting right taxi off.
Alright, make the right, next available taxiway, taxi Charlie to the ramp, traffic in position and on final, have a good one.
Off Charlie 5 and Charlie to the ramp, Giant 8977.
Traffic, 4 mile final, runway 31 right at Echo, clear for takeoff.
31 right at Echo, clear for takeoff, yeah.
Roller Mark 203 Juliet Heavy, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31 left, get for takeoff, runway 203, again.
Delta 205 Heavy, reduce to final.
Slow to final, Delta 205.
JetBlue JetBlue 1211, Kenny Tower, caution 31, showing 31 left, line up and wait, traffic 6 mile final.
31 left, line up and wait, JetBlue 1211. American 2341, ILS 31 right.
American 2341, Kennedy Tower, number 3, caution late turbulence, 5 miles until the heavy Boeing 767, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 31 right, American 2341, number 3.
JetBlue 423, contacting your departure, good day.
Good day, see you. Afternoon, Chadwick 4552, 14 ILS 31 right.
Richard 4552, Kenny Tower, traffic will be off your left side, joining the parallel, descending at 4,000 right now, at the heavy Airbus 330, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Okay, clear to land 31 right, take off the traffic 4552. Delta 141, checking in for 31 right.
Delta 141, Kennedy Tower, caution 31 for your arrival, heavy Boeing 777, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Clear right, Delta 141.
Cathay 830 Heavy, turn left, Whiskey, taxi right, Bravo, monitor ground point 9er, good day.
Whiskey, right, Bravo, ground point 9, Cathay 830, good day.
Weather Bronx 203, Juliet Heavy, contacting your departure, good day.
We departure Bronx 203, Juliet, good day.
In Delta 49 Heavy, there will be one departure at 7:37 prior to your arrival.
Roger, Delta 49 Heavy.
Finest 22, Kennedy Tower.
On time, over flight 10 ops, shows that issued.
Finest 22, rate of services, terminating frequency change approved, have a good one.
Use the radar.
JetBlue 1211, contacting your departure, good day.
Over departure, JetBlue 1211, good day.
Kennedy Tower, good day. The Shamrock 105 Heavy with you. We're just established now, 31 right.
Shamrock 105 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, caution late turbulence, you're 5 3/4 miles until the heavy Airbus 350, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Copy the traffic. Clear land 31 right. Shamrock 105. Could you give me a wind readout, please?
Sure, winds 350, 16, gust 24.
Thank you.
Delta 49 Heavy behind the Challenger, right Papa Bravo, monitor ground point 9er, good day.
Papa Bravo, monitor ground. Good day, Delta 49 Heavy.
Louisiana 221 Heavy, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 31 left, Ashana 221.
Victor 4670 Kennedy Tower, caution turbulence, running through the last line of point. Virgin 3 November Heavy, roll down a whiskey, correction, Victor, left on Victor.
Yeah, left on Victor, let's go. Virgin 3 November.
Virgin 3 November Heavy, then left uniform, left Alpha, and monitor ground point 9 good day.
Uniform left Alpha, monitor ground on point 9, Virgin 3 November.
Tower Delta 454 is visual 31 left.
Delta 454, Kenny Tower, couple departures prior to you, runway 31 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 31 left, Delta 454.
Brickyard 4670, traffic 5 out, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff, approaching runway turbulence.
Alright, clear takeoff runway 31 left, Brickyard 4670, apologize about that. American 2485, ILS 31 right.
American 2485, Kenny Tower, caution runway turbulence, calling a heavy Airbus 330, short final, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Go ahead to that, American 2485.
Brickyard 5598, Kennedy Tower, traffic 5 out, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
31 left, line up and wait, Brickyard 5598.
Shamrock 105 Heavy, go down to Victor.
Down to Victor, Shamrock 105.
Shamrock 105 Heavy, your gate is blocked, so left Victor, right Bravo, short of Tango Alpha, contact ground 121.9er.
Left Victor, right onto Bravo, short of Victor Alpha, and over to ground 1219, Shamrock 105.
Brickyard 5598, 31 left, clear for takeoff.
31 left, takeoff, Brickyard 5598.
Shamrock 105 Heavy, short of Tango Alpha, short of Tango Alpha. Brickyard 4670, contacting your departure, good day.
4670, switch.
JetBlue 479, traffic 4 out, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
31 left, clear for takeoff, JetBlue 479. Okay, Tower JetBlue 364, established ILS 31 right.
Calling Tower, say it again.
This is JetBlue 364, we're on 31 right.
JetBlue 354, Kenny Tower, cautioning turbulence, you're 4.5 miles in Java Heavy 767. Dino wants the 15 knots reported on final.
Okay.
The worst at 2 miles, runway 31 right, clear to land.
31 right, clear to land, JetBlue 364.
JetBlue 479, I just had a report from the previous departure of a large flock of geese at 3,200 on the climb out. Use caution, contact New York departure, good day.
We'll keep an eye out and always in departure, JetBlue 479, good day.
Swiss 16 Foxtrot Heavy, turn left Victor, taxi right Bravo, monitor ground point 9er, good day.
Victor
right on Bravo and 119 today.
Endeavour 5315, a large flock of geese reported on the climb out of 3,200. Use caution, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
Runway 31 left, there, 5315.
Good morning, Kitty Cat. Good afternoon, Kitty Cat. Minus 19 off the Floyd. I'd like to work in the pattern below 500.
Minus 19, can you tag us radar contact Floyd Ben Alton indicates 300. Can you altimeter 299X2? You're cleared out of below 5 in the pattern.
992 has a little 5 in the pattern. Thank you, minus 19.
JetBlue 184, turn right on Mike Charlie, taxi right on Papa, then Bravo, monitor ground point 9, good day.
Okay, Mike Charlie, Papa, Bravo, monitor ground, JetBlue 184. Nothing worse than plus or minus 5 knots for us.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Endeavour 5315, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, there, 5315.
Delta 1961, I got a report of a large flock of geese on the climb out at 3,200, rolling through 1 left, line up and wait.
Through a line of wait, Delta 1961, copy the report.
Tower, Region 985, localizer 31 right.
Egypt Air 985, heavy Kennedy Tower 1330 at 21, gusts 25, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Is that 31 right, Egypt Air 985.
Delta 2 heavy, turn left whiskey, taxi left alpha, monitor ground point 9, good day.
That's Whiskey left Alpha, ground 219 Delta 2 ready to go.
JetBlue 354, turn left whiskey, taxi left alpha, monitor ground point 9, good day.
Whiskey Alpha, monitor ground, JetBlue 354.
Endeavour 5399, a large flock of geese was reported on the climb out of 3,200, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
Left line up and wait, JetBlue 5399.
Wind 330 at 19 gust 26. Delta 2342, contact unit departure, good day.
Good day, Delta 2342.
Endeavour 5399, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Kennedy Tower, good afternoon, Lufthansa 400 heavy, visual 31 left.
Lufthansa 400 heavy, Kennedy Tower, 5 miles until the heavy Boeing 767, caution wing turbulence, runway 31 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 31 left, and we're about to reduce speed, Lufthansa 400 heavy.
Egypt Air 985, heavy, turn left, whiskey, taxi right, Bravo, monitor ground point 9.
Whiskey, right, Bravo, monitor ground 119, Egypt Air 985.
Kennedy Tower, hello, Korean 8250, we are ready.
Korean Air 250 heavy, roger, hold short, rolling through 1 left, traffic landing.
Departure runway 31 left, Korean 8250.
Endeavour 5399, contact near departure, good day.
Departure 5399.
JetBlue 2474.
Just crossing Zulab 31 right, 2474.
JetBlue 2474, reduce the final approach speed, there'll be 1 departure prior to your arrival, runway 31 left, departure runway 31 right, clear to land.
We copy, we're reducing, clear to land 31 right, JetBlue 2474.
JetBlue 2474, caution wing turbulence free with arrival heavy Airbus 330.
Thank you, 2474.
Chair 5483, Kenny Tower, caution turbulence, runway 31 right at Echo, line up runway, traffic 5 out, be ready.
Runway 31 right at Echo, Carrier 5483.
Tower 608 heavy, no delay to whiskey, whiskey, left whiskey, whiskey, taxi right Bravo, monitor ground point 9er, traffic in position and on final, good day.
Whiskey, on Bravo, monitor ground at 19 right.
Chair 5483, traffic 3 out, runway 31 right at Echo, clear for takeoff.
31 right at Echo, clear for takeoff, Carrier 643. Heavy, Kennedy Tower, heavy Boeing 767 traffic, 4.5 miles head, caution, weight turbulence, wind 35015, runway 2 on right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 31 right, copy the traffic, Delta 203 heavy.
Condor 2016 heavy, turn left at Victor, taxi to the ramp, and remain this frequency. Do you happen to know the gate assignment yet?
Yeah, vacating via Victor, maintaining on your frequency, and the gate is number 6 on 217.
Well, Condor 2016 heavy, right Bravo, hold short Tango Alpha, contact ground 121.9er.
Bravo and hold short Tango Alpha, and .9 Connox, wind
5370 Kennedy Tower, good afternoon. Following heavy E330, 6 miles ahead, caution, wind turbulence with 34017, runway turn right, clear.
Turn right, clear to land, number 5370.
double check for landing clearance Delta 203.
Delta 203 affirmative, runway turn right to the land.
Thank you very much. Clear to land 203.
233 heavy, turn left at Victor, taxi left Alpha to the ramp, and monitor ground point 9. You have a good afternoon.
Left Victor, left Alpha, and ground to the ramp. Delta 233 heavy.
Taxi left Whiskey, Kuwait waits you. Taxi left Alpha and mount to ground point 9.
Whiskey Alpha, ground point 9, JetBlue 7.
Tower, hello, Mexico 408. How you there, runway 31 right?
And Mexico 408 heavy, Kennedy Tower, 4 miles of trail, heavy Boeing 747, caution, wind turbulence, wind 35015, gust 24, runway 3 on right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 31 right, there, Mexico 408.
Tower American 199 heavy for runway 31 right.
199 heavy, can't tell, heavy Boeing 787, traffic 4 miles ahead, caution, wind turbulence, wind 35016, gust 24, runway 3 on right, clear to land.
31 right, clear to land, American 199 heavy.
555 there's a police helicopter working low level over Floyd Bennett Field. If you know where that is, it's up ahead at 12 o'clock in about 3 miles.
Yeah, I'm familiar. I'll be looking out for 511.
And it's 19, can they got a helicopter northwest to southeast at 700 feet? Can it pass overhead?
That did it, look, it would be below 200 over Floyd.
Yeah. If you can start reducing your gaining on that heavy Boeing 787 ahead.
Alright, we'll flow to approach speed, American 199 heavy.
National Cargo 563 heavy, where are you parking today in the field?
The 263.
Okay, very well, you can turn right, taxi to the ramp and remain at 60.
Taxi to the ramp with you, National Cargo 563 heavy today.
Yeah, the traffic, can I verify that too?
8117. Kuwait 117, Kennedy. The 5002, any joy on the traffic ahead?
We got traffic, no 5002.
5002, thank you. Maintain Distribution Heavy Boeing 777. Caution, wake turbulence. Wind 36018, gust 24, on wake 3 on right, clear to land.
Right, clear to land, or 5002, maintain separation.
And Mexico 408 Heavy, turn right, Victor, right onto Charlie.
Right, Victor, right on Charlie, Aeromexico 408.
2 at Mexico 408 Heavy, continue right, Charlie, hold short, echo, remain this frequency.
Right on Charlie, hold short of echo, remain this frequency, Aeromexico 408.
The 5002 regional jet is off your left-hand side for the parallel.
New South Seabird 173 Alpha Heavy is departure Cattle 3000.
73 Alpha Heavy, Kennedy Tower 737, traffic is 4 miles ahead, wind 36015, gust 24, and wake 3 on right, clear to land.
Okay, clear land, thank you, Seabird 173 Alpha.
American 199 Heavy, you're going to just keep waiting to that Kuwaiti, make it Victor and Bravo to the ramp.
Okay, we'll give Wayne Queen left turn Victor Bravo to the ramp, American 199 Heavy.
Mexico 408 Heavy, turn right, echo, hold short of runway 3 on right.
Mexico Echo, hold short of runway 3 on right, Aeromexico 408.
Avianca 210, turn left heading 270.
Left heading 270, Avianca 210.
Avianca 210, turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, Avianca 210.
Avianca 210, you can contact New York approach on 135.9 for the resequence.
135.9 for the resequence, Avianca 210.
American 45 Heavy, left at Victor, taxi right, Bravo to the ramp, and monitor ground point 9.
Victor, Bravo to the ramp, American 45 Heavy.
1530, Kenny downwind 36014, gust 21, runway 31 right, quarter land.
Quarter land 3.5, JetBlue 1530.
Okay, that's fine, thank you.
Minus 19.
We're going to be all done at the 10 after runway shows uninsured.
There's service time, finish change approved.
Good afternoon, 007, 4000 on the header. 31 right.
Breakout 4388.
Breakout 4388.
The approach controller said you're not doing the right speed, so can you increase your speed? The A330 is already on the ground.
Alright, we'll do that. Land 007, left 31 right.
Around 7 heavy, Canadian downwind 35016, gust 21, runway 31 right, you're clear to land.
Runway 31 right, clear to land, land 007.
Iberia 2, Whiskey Mike Heavy, turn left, Victor, right, Bravo, monitor ground 121.9er.
Victor Bravo, monitor ground 49, thank you, Iberia 2, Whiskey Mike.
Minus 20, Canadian radar contact within 300 feet, say your request.
Westbound, Tony, check out.
Approved as requested.
That's your full plug. Can you say which report recently?
There has been maybe 15 minutes goes 5 knots, gain of 5 knots, 500 feet to the surface. JetBlue 1530, left Whiskey, left Alpha, monitor 21.9.
Whiskey Alpha 21.9, JetBlue 1530.
Yeah, 5207, do you have the heavy A350 in sight?
Yes, there.
607. I feel like this is slowed down there from the 207.
No, I asked you if you have the Virgin in sight, the heavy A350.
Yeah, we do. We were testing you to slow down there from the 207.
There, 5207, maintain visual separation with that traffic, caution wake turbulence, you're still clear to land, 31 right. If you'd like to, it's on you now.
Copy that, Endeavor, at the 207. We'll probably slow down.
Okay, I just need you to read back what I said though, on there, 5207, maintain visual separation with that heavy.
Maintaining visual separation with the Virgin Heavy, Endeavor, 207.
Thank you.
Tower, good day. Emirates 69 Romeo Super, 12 miles, ILS, 31 right.
Emirates 69 Romeo Super, Kenny Town, wind 36015, gust 21, runway 31 right, you're clear to land.
Third land runway 31 right, Emirates 69 Romeo Super.
Target level stands up 410 Super, be looking at the previous right. Lufthansa 410 Super, Kenny Town, wind 36016, gust 21, caution wake turbulence 4 miles in trail of a Super, wind 36016, gust 21, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Lufthansa 410 full land on its right, coverage, please, test lead, leaving on at the end.
Around 7 heavy, continue via Whiskey, left on Alpha, monitor 121.9er.
Whiskey Alpha, monitor 121.9er, land 07.
Okay, minus 20, check out.
Minus 20, radar service 7, if you can change approved.
The tower, Emirates 69 Romeo Super, we plan to exit the runway at the uniform tree.
Roger. Whiskey Whiskey, left on Bravo, monitor 121.9er.
That's Whiskey Whiskey, left on Bravo and ground point 9, version 45 Whiskey, thanks.
Flight 711 is over Governor's 1000. We're southeastbound right now, looking for the tracks for landing Farmingdale today.
Flight stop to 11, remain clear of the clouds, Bravo.
Thanks to Bravo, Flight 711.
Whiskey left Alpha, monitor 21.9.
Whiskey left Alpha, ground 9.
Double 116, checking in for 31 right.
Double 116, Kennedy Tower, 7 miles in Charles, but super caution wake turbulence. Were you given a speed restriction by approach?
No, I just said slow to slowest.
Slow to slowest. All right, Double 116, wind 35015, gust 23, runway 31 right, you're clear to land.
Better land 31 right, Double 116. Delta 245 Heavy, ILS 31 right.
245 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, wind 34016, gust 23, runway 31 right, you're clear to land.
Better land 31 right, Delta 245 Heavy.
Emirates 69 Romeo, super left uniform 3, left on uniform, then continue left on Alpha, remain this frequency.
Uniform 3, uniform and left on Alpha, remain this frequency. Emirates 69 Romeo. Kennedy Tower, China 3 to 1077 here and look at the runway 31 right.
Air China Freight 1077 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, 4 miles inshore over Heavy 76, caution wake turbulence, wind 34017, gust 23, runway 31 right, you're clear to land.
Runway 31 right, let's land at China 3 to 1077.
Air China Freight 1077 Heavy 260, you can expect the right 10 off the runway when you land.
We'll vacate the right, turn right, vacate to the parking, Air China Freight 1077.
I confirm.
That's Tower, Delta 127 Heavy, inbound 31 right.
Uh, 127 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, 4 miles inshore over Heavy Bone 777, caution wake turbulence, wind 33016, that's 23, runway 31 right, you're clear to land.
Clear to land 31 right, Delta 127 Heavy.
Emirates 69 Romeo Super, you could monitor ground 121.9 to your ramp.
Monitor 21-9, Emirates 69 Romeo Super today.
Lufthansa 410 Super, turn left uniform 3, left on uniform, left on Alpha, and remain this frequency.
Left uniform 3, left on uniform, left on Alpha, remain this frequency, Lufthansa 410 Super. Hey sir, 69 Foxtrot, just off of Governor Island 1000, looking for park conduit to the GAG.
Number 69 Foxtrot, contact tower 125.25.
2525. Tower Blue 116, is he clear to land?
Zero Blue 116, I confirm, 31 right, clear to land.
Okay, clear to land 31 right, Triple 116.
JetBlue 116, left whiskey, left on Bravo, and before you turn in that Delta, let the Super pass you, monitor ground 21.9.
Left whiskey, left Bravo, and we'll give way to the heavy, the Super just as well. Tower JetBlue 485.
JetBlue 485, Kennedy Tower, 6 miles inshore over Heavy Boeing 777, caution wake turbulence, wind 33016, gust 22, runway 31 right, clear to land.
Okay, caution wake, clear to land 31 right, JetBlue 45, we just passed the 5-hour balloon, about 5 hours below it.
JetBlue 485, say again, what did you pass?
A Mylar balloon.
Mylar balloon, alright, at 2,500 feet where you are currently, alright, understood. Heavy, left whiskey, left on Bravo, remain this frequency.
Left whiskey, left Bravo with you, Delta 245 Heavy. We get a gain of about 10 knots, 400 feet ADL.
Understood, Delta 245 Heavy, thank you. Air China Freight 1077 Heavy, did you copy the wind shear report?
A4, 107, sir.
Roger, Delta 127 Heavy, did you copy the wind shear report?
No, negative. We still on the flight now.
Okay. Delta 127 Heavy, did you copy the wind shear report by your company?
Delta 127 Heavy, copy.
Alright, Qatari 6 Foxtrot Heavy, did you copy the wind shear report by the 76?
From Qatari 6 Foxtrot.
JetBlue 485, wind shear reported, gain of 10 knots, 400 feet by a Heavy 76.
JetBlue 485.
So 245 Heavy, Alpha 4 here, join Alpha and monitor ground 21.9.
Alpha 4, join Alpha 0.9, Delta 245 Heavy. Tower Delta 45 Heavy, ILS 31 right.
45 Heavy, Kennedy Tower, caution wake turbulence, 6 miles in trail of, actually disregard the wake turbulence. There is a wind shear report though, reported by 76, gain of 10 knots, 400 feet, runway 31 right, you're clear to land.
Clear to land, 31 right, Delta 45 Heavy.
Foxtrot Heavy, do you have the Heavy A330 in sight? We got 5808, Kennington, wind shear reported again at 10 knots, 400 feet by a heavy 7.6, wind 35014, gust 22, additionally your 4.5 inch of a heavy 7.6, caution wake turbulence, runway 31 right, you're clear to land. Delta 127 Heavy, 10 left Whiskey, taxi left Alpha, monitor ground 21-9.
Whiskey Alpha, ground 49, Delta 127 Heavy.
Qatar 6 Foxtrot Heavy, turn left. Victor, right on Bravo and monitor ground 21-9 to your ramp.
6-2, then Bravo 121 minus to the ramp, Qatari 6 Foxtrot, thank you.